In this video, I'll show you how to generate high-quality product shots using Tagshop AI in just a few simple steps. First, head over to Product Videos and select the Product Shot feature. Now, upload your product image. Make sure it's clear, well lit, and ideally taken on a plain background. The better your input image, the better your final result will be. Select your image generation model to generate a product shot and write a scene that you want to generate for your product and select your preferred aspect ratio. Or you can choose from a predefined template. Tagshop AI offers a variety of environments, including studio backgrounds, lifestyle setups, and seasonal themes. Pick a style that matches your brand or the story you want your product to tell. Once everything looks good, click on Generate and let the AI do its magic. In just a few seconds, you'll get multiple product shot variations to choose from. Review the generated images and pick your favorite to make a product shot. Now click Convert to Video, enter a prompt, and select your video generation model. Within minutes, your high-resolution product shot is ready to use. And that's it. No photo shoot, no editing skills, just Tagshop AI doing the heavy lifting.